Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards. Remove the filter from the tray. There are two rails in the tray that the end folds of the filter need to be behind in order to be secure. Install your new filter into the tray with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. For easy reinstallation, the words on the front of each tray reveal if it is right side up. Reclip the housing door. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.